The pig says oink. The cow says moo. Edit this part to the part where we want it to. The sheep says... Wait, what does the sheep say? Chicken says cluck. Edit this part out, please, future me. The dog says wolf. Rip sheep. The horse says hey. Hey to you too, horse. Edit this part. Yeah, I'll eat it. And the guest says you are dead. You suck at aiming. You suck at aiming. No, you couldn't even be. Oh. I guess this is what I get. Now, more than this. I have a water bucket. Oh God, I can save myself. Yeah, this saved me. Yeah, I'm still alive, so I win. Yeah, they can't get me in here. Oh God. God. Jump in the river. Okay, I'm safe. Now, more than this. I did it my way. And you, oh God, it's not too late. It's not too late, me. Oh no. I did it my way.